Are you looking to sell your home this fall? While we're still in a strong seller's market, there is a widening gap between homes that are ready for the market and those that aren't. If you want your home to open up and be a winner on the market, you probably need to make your home as ready and as attractive to the buyers as possible. It's proven that more showings that you have, the more likely you are to have a faster sell and a net higher price. That's why today I'm sharing 3 ways that you can get your house ready for showings this fall. So first off, let's take care of those minor repairs up front. Right now, buyers' #1 concern is the high interest rates and affordability. As a result, they want to put as much money down as they can to lower these monthly payments. This means if you take care of all the repairs up front, buyers will be more interested in your house and might even be willing to pay a premium for it. Taking care of these cosmetic repairs up front is a good idea, even in a normal market, but the higher interest rates mean that this step is more important than ever. #2, let's do some staging. Think about a model home. It's very clean, it's standardized, and not a lot of personal items. Your goal should be to get as close to that as possible. Your home is likely a lot of personal touches and some odd furniture, family photos, or maybe even an off-colored wall. I recommend trying to depersonalize your home as much as possible so that prospective buyers can picture themselves living in your property. Plus, by packing away everything, you'll be ready to make that big move once your house sells. #3, let's make a plan for children and pets. Your showing probably won't go very smoothly if your dog or young child is running around. Instead, work with your agent to create a showing schedule with blocks of time when your home is ready for the buyers. This way, you and your buyers won't be disrupted. I recommend putting the dogs in the kennel for just a short amount of time when you're having those showings. While you're moving your pets around might be a little bit of work, it's worth it to keep your house in pristine condition when the buyers are viewing it. There's nothing worse than having a dog that jumps on people while looking at your home. And here in Wyoming, I've seen it. I shouldn't have to say this, but we've even had goats attack us on our front porch while showing a house. So just lock your goats up too. If you want a detailed showing plan or a list of repairs to make before listing your home, please call or email me. I would love to help you out in navigating this housing market. Thank you and have a wonderful day.